Hi everyone, just a quick Tindie update. I haven't actually done one of these before, but some exciting news. I finally got my Unexpected Maker 2018 badge up on the store. It's available in both kit form and assembled. I encourage you to grab one in kit form if you want one. There are quite a lot of components on them, but they're super fun to put together. Even though there's some 0603 parts on there and some 0805, it's all SMD, but it's all definitely accessible with a soldering iron. And I've also just released my kit version of the TinyDev boards that I had on the store. So I've sold quite a few of those already, which is fantastic, but a few people asked me for a kit version. It's on there now. So that's it, just the quick update. As I said, please feel free to support me and my channel by buying any of my stuff on Tindie. As you can see, there are no ads on my videos, not that it would make any difference anyway. And I don't have a Patreon account. I might, but I don't have one right now. I'm definitely thinking of doing some merchandise, some t-shirts and stuff. I think that'd be pretty cool. But right now, Tindie is the place to support me and get really cool product in the process. Anyway, that's it. Thank you. I'll catch you next time.